Welcome to 20 Car. There are SUVs, and then there's the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Concept, a symphony of power, luxury, and next-generation intelligence wrapped in an unmistakably American silhouette. This is no mere vehicle, it's a declaration, a rolling sanctuary of opulence where innovation meets heritage in perfect harmony. From the outside, the XT6 Concept redefines presence. A towering stance, sculpted aerodynamics, and a reimagined black crystal grille pulsate with dynamic LED lighting, making it feel alive even at rest. Its razor-thin vertical headlights slice through the darkness, illuminating a road that belongs to no one but you. The side profile exudes confidence with muscular haunches and a sweeping, coupe-like roofline that belies its 3-row capability. Step inside, and the future greets you. A seamless OLED panoramic dashboard integrates a hyper-intelligent AI assistant, predicting your needs before you voice them. Hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting create a haven of refinement, while ventilated massaging seats ensure every journey is first class. Cadillac's Ultra Cruise semi-autonomous system takes the edge off long drives, offering hands-free luxury at your command. Underneath its sculpted frame, an all-electric drivetrain delivers an earth-shaking 500 horsepower, launching the XT6 Concept from 0-100 kilometers height in a blistering 4.5 seconds. With an estimated range of 550 kilometers per charge, it squares off against the BMW iX and the Mercedes EK SUV, bringing American luxury into the EV revolution. Starting at an estimated $70,000, the XT6 Concept promises long-term value, backed by Cadillac's robust service network. For those who demand elegance with a pulse of raw energy, the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Concept isn't just transportation, it's an experience.